Spelling Activator. 189 difficult to spell English words. English spelling. English spelling is difficult because the way we pronounce words doesn't always match the way they're written. Words can also contain letter combinations that sound differently in different words. I've designed this spelling activation pack to help you to spell 189 of the most troublesome words in British English. "189 words." Listen to the 189 words. Which of them do you find difficult to spell? The spelling activators in the British Library will ensure you never misspell these words again. The spelling activators are exclusively available in the British Library. You can get a free 48-hour pass today at Britlish.com. Listen to the 189 words.
Absence, acceptable, accidentally, accommodate, achieve, acknowledge, acquaintance, acquire, acquit, acreage, address, adultery, advisable, affect, aggression, aggressive, allegiance, almost, a lot, amateur, annually, apparent, arctic, argument, atheist, awful, because, beautiful, becoming, beginning, believe, bellwether, boy, buoyant, business, calendar, camouflage, Caribbean, category, court, cemetery, changeable, chief, colleague, column, coming, committed, comparison, concede, congratulate, conscientious, conscious, consensus, controversy, coolie, daiquiri, deceive, definite, definitely, desperate, difference, dilemma, disappoint, disastrous, drunkenness, dumbbell, embarrass, equipment, exceed, exhilarate, existence, experience, extreme, fascinating, fiery, fluorescent, foreign, friend, fulfill, gauge, grateful, guarantee, guidance, harass, height, hierarchy, hors d'oeuvre, humorous, hygiene, hypocrisy, hypocrite, ignorance, imitate, immediately, indict, independent, indispensable, inoculate, intelligence, jewelry, kernel, leisure, liaison, library, license, lightning, lose, maintenance, medieval, memento, millennium, miniature, minuscule, mischievous, misspell, necessary, niece, neighbor, noticeable, occasion, occasionally, occurrence, occurred, emission, original, outrageous, parliament, pastime, perceive, perseverance, personnel, plagiarize, playwright, possession, potatoes, proceed, presence, principle, privilege, professor, promise, pronunciation, proof, publicly, quarantine, queue, questionnaire, readable, really, receive, receipt, recommend, referred, reference, relevant, religious, repetition, restaurant, rhyme, rhythm, secretary, seize, separate, sergeant, similar, skillful, speech, successful, supersede, surprise, than, there, tomatoes, tomorrow, 12th, tyranny, underrate, until, upholstery, vacuum, vehicle, vicious, weather, weird, welfare, weather, willful, withhold, writing.